Hello lovelies. Today is my day off of work. I was supposed to get a lot of cleaning done earlier today, but first I was just honestly feeling lazy, and then later I ended up getting a migraine and just wanted to lay on the couch. Did eventually at least get a shower in because I was feeling gross. But so now my migraine is finally gone. I finally feel like doing stuff. So I gotta pick up my husband from work here in a couple of hours. So let's see what we can get done in a couple of hours. Let's get to it. So this is my day off of work, like I said earlier. So I'm just trying to get a lot of stuff done. Mostly, or first I'm starting off with the laundry. The house wasn't too terrible. I mean, it was a little messy, especially in the kitchen. But yeah, just starting off with a load of laundry first. Then we will be going to the kitchen and getting a lot done. I was gonna say the week before this, I did like a bunch of overtime, so my poor house just suffered because I didn't have any time to get any cleaning done. So I'm trying this week to keep on top of everything because I'm not doing any overtime this week. But yeah, I work in a pharmacy. I'm a certified pharmacy technician. I've been doing that for about 15, almost 16 years now. But yeah, here I'm just starting to get some dishes done, and then I'll just be going to wipe down the counters here after a bit. I love my X-File cup. That's the one I'm cleaning right now. That X-Files is like one of my favorite shows since I was a little girl. I used to watch it with my grandpa all the time. But yeah, now we're just cleaning the cabinets and the counter, and then getting some stuff off the counter, wiping it down as well, and then going over here and cleaning off the stove. It really needed a wipe down. There was a couple of gunky parts that were fun to try to get off. I should have used the stove cleaner thing to get it, but I was just, trying to quickly get the house tidied up in a couple of hours. Like I said, that's all I had time for because, had the migraine. That was terrible. I felt like I was so sick there for a while. Plus, I had to pick up my kiddo from school. So, that also made it not feel the greatest. Or, not, no, I enjoy picking up my kid from school, but I didn't feel great when I was going to go pick her up. But I don't know if I just didn't eat enough that day or what, but after I ate something, I felt a little bit better. Plus, I took my medication for my migraines, so that all kind of helped out in the end. And I'm glad I was able to get my house tidied up. My daughter and I are kind of obsessed with Stranger Things, so there's our Stranger Things blanket for the living room. We have 4 cats and a dog. Our cats' names are there's Paulson, TL, Salem, and Scout. Salem and Scout are the newest ones to our addition because we've had Paulson and TL for quite a while. Paulson's our oldest. But yeah, Salem and Scout we found outside. They were just a couple of strays, so we ended up taking them in. And then there's my dog Blaze that we've had since he was a puppy, and he is now 8 years old. He'll be 9 this October. We call him the Halloween puppy. We're not exactly sure when his birthday is, but I just say it's Halloween because, he was 8 weeks old when we got him in December. So his birthday would have been sometime in October. So I just make it easy and say it was Halloween. But yeah, now just cleaning up the bathroom. Sorry, I just keep rambling every once in a while. But yeah, just tidying up the bathroom a bit, wiping things down. I did end up sweeping a bit, but I didn't really film that. Sorry. But yeah, just trying to keep this house clean. You think with this being a small house, it wouldn't be so hard to keep tidy, but working a full-time job and raising a child and, having pets, the house gets crazy pretty quickly. I'm sure there's most of you who can relate. But yeah, then I'm just tidying up my room a bit. Mostly just had to make the bed. All right, I've got everything that I need done for now. Getting ready I have to run to Kroger real quick, grab a couple of things to make grilled cheese. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. But yeah, go grab that and then go pick up my husband from work. So I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.